Yo, what's up guys? What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the most money possible. So, you're going to need any bag you want. It doesn't have to be big, small. But you do need a hook shot and a weapon of your choice. Just like this. I get this way. What the heck? Alright, let's go now. So what we're gonna do is go to a forest. Make sure it's light. Make sure it's Make sure that it is morning time in forest. Because if it's not, then you're probably gonna die. So here's the chicken. Go up to it. And then you get this. We don't need that, but here's this golden egg. Look at it. Take it, and then hurry and go back. Okay, that might be cooked. I don't know when it's gonna be. Shh, ogre. Oh crap. I better go. Gotta go fast. I gotta go Sonic speed. Okay, now, once you get the golden egg, you can grind out more, because I have 7 in mine. So then just put the stuff down, and then put them all in. I grinded out 7. And you get a massive amount of money. Look at this. Look at that. $23,000. I mean, 20,000 nuts. That's pretty good if you say, if I say. But, thank you for watching. Yeah.